Hi, my name is Jessica Alba. I am an author and actress and founder of The Honest Company. And I am so excited to announce that I have now partnered with HelloFresh. What I love about HelloFresh is it falls right in line with the philosophy of what I built The Honest Company on. I want to empower people to live healthy, happy lives. And that's what HelloFresh does with their boxes of fresh food. It's seasonal and delivered straight to your door. Every week I get a nice little delightful surprise. The menu is right there. Everything is portioned out perfectly. You can choose from 20 different meal options. My kids choose them, my husband chooses them, but mostly my kids choose them for sure. I just love how convenient and easy it is for me to make a family meal.